Hi there, I'm Chris and this is my new YouTube channel, Some Bloke Who Travels a Lot. And I have been very lucky to travel a lot. Starting at an early age, my family took us away to places that just weren't destinations you went to in the 70s and the 80s. I then followed that with a career in hospitality where I got to work all over the world. And this has given me a great passion for travel and a great passion to explore. So please do check out the channel, that way you get to travel with me. I'm publishing hotel reviews, hotels some good, some bad, one definitely very ugly, and the odd travel tip on the way, places of interest, flights, great views out of the window. And just by subscribing to the channel, I'm entering you into a free draw to win luxury amenities kits. Now this is a Bulgari kit from Emirates business class. I was lucky to fly with them in March this year. Now that I'm giving away at 500 subscribers, which is any day now. And don't worry if you miss out on that, I've got another one. And I'm giving that away at 750. Same kit, different bag. And thanks to some amazing flights, I've got British Airways business class kit, and I've got both first class men's and ladies. So do check out the channel, do give it a thumbs up, do subscribe, and happy travels wherever you may go. Thanks for watching.